In this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the SugarCube story format into Twine. A story format controls the appearance and behavior of stories during play by allowing us to code in different features. During this course, we are going to add in images, timers, and text boxes, and SugarCube is the format that allows us to do those things. So, to install SugarCube, you are going to start by opening up any internet browser. Then you are going to go to motoslave.net/sugarcube, motoslave.net/sugarcube. Once that has loaded up, we are going to click on the current version of SugarCube. Then we are going to scroll down to Downloads and select the download for a version of Twine, which is currently greater than Twine 2.1. Once that has downloaded, you are going to close out your browser, open up Twine, go to the Twine in the first submenu, and story formats in the second submenu. And then you're going to click on SugarCube 2.36.1 to select. And then you're going to click on Use as Default Format in the second submenu. After this, you don't need to do anything additional. Any game you build in Twine will be in SugarCube format. Until we start coding in some of those additional features, nothing will look or be any different from the Twine games you have already created.